Hello guys, now we are going to learn Wireshark Lab on DHCP protocol, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. As we know that DHCP is nothing but it's dynamically allocates the IP addresses. Here as you see the DHCP packets captured by host only in their DHCP server. As you know that some Linux or Unix device only having only static IP addresses. By applying some commands we can dynamically allocate our IP addresses also. Here are the some commands we need to explore by applying on CMD. Opening the CMD. Follow the first step. Begin by opening Windows command prompt or CMD, no problem, which you can choose. Then ipconfig. Here you need to type ipconfig, then release. This is the you need to write. After this, second step is just open Wireshark. Wait until Wireshark is loads. Then select the available network you are using. I am using Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi. Then the packet capturing begins. Then the third step is again ipconfig renew. Type ip config renew. It will renew your IP addresses. At first default it was 0.0.0.0. Then it goes to some IP dynamic address. Here you may see third step IP configure renew. This instructs your host to obtain a new network configuration including a new IP address in the figure 1. The host obtains IP addresses. Okay, here our already terminated. Then enter the same command. Again enter the same command. IP config renew. I'm entering the same command. This is the third step. Then final step is here IP release. When the second IP config renew terminates, enter the command IP config release. Here not terminated. Until terminated we will wait. Yes. Now IP config, just type release. It will release our IP address. Provide to release the previous allocated IP address to your computer. Then again, last step IP config renew. Again, we are renewing the IP address. This is the last step. After its execution, we will stop our Wireshark. Yes, it's over. Then stop Wireshark. Now we will solve the below questions. Here, other thing is given. By applying boot p, we can filter only DHCP packets. Okay, let's try it out. Boot p. I have entered. As you may see, we have typed IP config release two times. That's why we have received two times IP. Here say first 0.0.0.0 is our when we clicked on release, it will set to default this one. Then when we click write renew, then this will. We have filtered the packets. Now our DHCP messages are sent over UDP or TCP. Here DHCP comes under UDP part only. As you see, you select any packet. Here only user datacom protocol is showing. And another thing is here source port is destination port is always 67 and 68. And you may see in the above Both boot p and dhcp use the same port numbers, that is 67 and 68. And draw a timing diagram illustrating the sequence of first four packet discover offer request ack DHCP exchange between the client and server. For each packet indicated the source and destination port numbers are the numbers are same as in the example given in the lab assignment. Yes, as you may see, 67 and 68 same as in lab shown 60 and 68. Now we'll see the graph according to the question 2. Just select the flow graph and it will show this is the, here see here one HTTP request is done. This is the graph of it, 67 and 68 port numbers illustration. And the third question is, what is the link layer address of your Mac? Here you may see the MAC address in Ethernet 2, and this is 7001B5 AFD1 D6 is the MAC address of my data link layer. And the fourth question is, what values in the DHCP discover message difference? This message from the DHCP request message. Here you can see, select this one, then open dynamic host configuration protocol. Here in options you can see this the request, here its length is 1 and request is 3, and this is the solution for the fourth question. I think you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.